The story of an Alex. He's a man, young man, energetic, works in a sales company. His job is to do cold calling and sell the product. So problem here is that his life is messed actually. So by the end of the month actually he used to get the salary but commission very less. And so he used to wonder where's the mistake he's doing actually. If you observe the daily routine of Alex, we find that he used to watch Netflix till late night, 1 o'clock, 1:30 or 2 o'clock, and in the morning he wakes up at 7:30, and then he get ready and then start his work. His work from home going on, so he used to generally start from 9:30 or 10 o'clock. So what happens that after he get ready and start the work, there is no any kind of planning and anything. And so most of the time what happened, he used to wonder that what next, what should I do, who should I call, randomly calling, but the result is very less. And daily he used to pass the day, the whole month, and then the end of the month he's not getting the result. Had he planned the day before starting his office work, had he set for 10-15 minutes and he planned the day that what are the things he's going to do, then the result would have been different. Before starting his office day, he should sit for 10-15 minutes, list out all the tasks that he is going to do. Whether it is calling to the client, whether it is calling to the person who has given a date to talk to him, whether it is doing a meeting or whether it is doing any kind of talks, all the tasks which is important for him to do for today as well as tomorrow. So he lists down everything, and from there he need to pick the most important 20% of the task which is going to give him the revenue, which is going to give him the result. He has to pick that 20%, otherwise the list will be very long, and when he starts with the least important topic, least important tasks, the result will not be there. Even if he has completed 80% of the tasks, he will not feel the joy, he will not feel the satisfaction, he will not have the happiness of completing 80%. Instead, if he would start with first the important tasks, the tough work generally gives the result, the revenue, the money will come from that tough work. If he starts from there, from that 20% task, even if he is unable to complete the 100%, he will feel the sense of joy by the end of the day, because he has completed 2 important tasks which has given the revenue for the company, and that's a very important thing. So make sure you pick the most important 20% tasks which has to be done first, because that is going to give the result, the revenue, and by the end of the month it is going to give you the commissions plus a career for your life, a good career. And that's why you need to start your day by making a planning. This is a small tip for career time management. I hope it helps you. There are a lot of tips and all, but you need to start from one thing. Taking all that thing and you become learning junkies and you are unable to implement. So I hope it helps. Before start your day, make a plan of all the important things. Pick the most important task first. Start with that and then go ahead. And by the end of the day, you must be able to get a result. That's the whole objective of it. So this is Naresh Mahato signing off today. Bye bye. Take care.